Hello friends, welcome to my channel Maths Ma'am. Today in this video we are going to do question number 5 from exercise 2.4 from Ncert, and the chapter is polynomials. So the question is factorize. We have to factorize some polynomials. So first polynomial is x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. Here we are having 4 terms. This first term is x cube, second term is minus 2x square, third term is minus x, and the fourth term is 2. So how we will do this? So we'll split the second and the third term according to the first term and the fourth term. Let's do that. First of all, we can see that the coefficient of the first term is x cube. Coefficient is 1 here, right? Now we'll see that we can write second term in the form of first term, like minus 2x square can be written as minus x square, one and the same thing. Why we are doing it? Because we want the coefficient of the first two term as the same. Here 1, 1. Right. Now we can see the third term is minus x. So we again write the third term in the form of the fourth term. Fourth term is 2. We can write minus x as plus x minus 2x plus 2. Why we write here minus 2 and not 2 and not x? Because we want the last two term coefficient same, first two term coefficient same. Right. Now we can see the first two terms is having something common. Yes, it's x square. We can take x square out, and here we are left with only x and minus 1. Now this third and the fourth term, what is common in them? Only x, and with negative if we put out, then we have in the bracket x minus 1. Now the last two terms, what is common in them? Only minus 2. We can take x inside and also minus 1. Right. Now we have three terms, first term, second term and the third term. From these three terms we have one thing common, that is one factor common, that is x minus 1. Now we are left with x square here minus x minus 2. So can we split more? Yes, we can split this equation more by using the splitting method. Yes, we can write minus x as minus 2x plus x minus 2. Right. Now we'll club the first two terms and the last two terms. So here only x is common, and in the bracket we have x minus 2, then plus 1, because there is nothing common in them, we join the last two terms like this. Now what is common in these two terms? Yes, it's x minus 2. So we'll write the first term as it is, the first factor as it is. Now the second factor we have is x minus 2, and the last factor is x plus 1. So like this we can see that we have three factors of this polynomial, and these are in the form of product. So this is a cubic polynomial. That means the equation, the answer would have three factors in answer. Yes, let's do the second part. In this part we are having a polynomial which is x cube, which is the first term, minus 6x 3x square second term, minus 9x the third term, and minus 5 the fourth term. Now we'll split the second term according to the first term and the third term according to the fourth term. So let's start. First of all, we'll write the same first term as it is. Now we'll keep the second term the same coefficient as the first term, and we'll make it as minus 3x square. Right, x square minus 4x square will give us minus 3x square only. Now we'll see the last term is minus 5. The coefficient of the last term is 5. So we'll split the third term by keeping here minus 5x as it is, and here minus 4x. So you can see minus 4x minus 5x will give us minus 9x, the same term. Right. Now we can join these two terms. Here from the first two term, what is common? X square is common. We'll take x square out, and we are left with x, and the second term is 1 only. Now from the third and fourth term, what is common? Minus is common, 4 is common, and also x. We are left with x plus 1, because we have taken negative out, so we put plus sign in the bracket. Now here minus sign again common, 5 is common and only x plus 1 again. Now from these three terms, what is common? It's clearly visible that x plus 1 factor is common. We are left with x square minus 4x minus 5. Now we can further reduce this quadratic polynomial into factors by splitting method. We can write minus 4x as minus 5x plus x minus 5. Right. Now we further take the common things out. Here from the first two terms, what is common? X is common. We are left with x minus 5. And the last two terms, there is nothing common. So we'll put these two terms in a bracket by putting one outside. Like this. Now we can see that in the bracket from these two terms, what is common? X minus 5 is common. In the bracket we are left with x plus 1. So here again the answer is in the product of three factors. As it was a cubic polynomial, so the answer is having the three factors. Now we'll do the third part. In the third part we are having four terms. First term is x cube, second term is 13x square, third term is 32x, and the fourth term is 20. We'll split second term according to the first term and the third term according to the fourth term. The coefficient of the first term is 1 here. Now let's do this. First of all, we'll write the first term as it is, x cube. Now second term can be written in the form of first term with the same coefficient, like here x square plus 12x. Right? And now the last term is 20. We can write the third term in the form of the first term, like 20x as it is. We can add 12x more to make it 32. Right? Now we'll join the first two terms, the third, fourth term and the fifth, sixth term. So from these first two terms we can say what is common? X square is common. In bracket we are left with x plus 1. Similarly from the third and the fourth term we can see x is common, 12 is common. We will keep them out and we are left with x plus 1 again. Similarly from the last two terms, what is common? 20 is common only. We keep 20 outside, we are left with x plus 1. So from these three terms, what is common? Yes, x plus 1 is common only. Now we are left with one quadratic equation, that is x square plus 2x plus 2. This is a quadratic polynomial. Can we further divide this? Can we further split this quadratic polynomial into factors? Yes, we can further do this by splitting method. So here it's 20. So we can make 20 by splitting 12. We need 12 as a sum. So what we can write? 10x plus 2 will make us 12 and also the product is 20. Right? So now we'll join the first two terms. We can see what is common here. X is common. In bracket we are x plus 10. And here 2 is common. We can take x inside and here 10. So now from the two terms from the bracket, what is common? X plus 10. And the leftover is x plus 2. Now we can see we have the answer again, product of three factors, because actually it's a cubic polynomial. The answer will be product of three factors. Let's do the last part of this question, which says 2y cube plus y square minus 2y minus 1. Here the first term is 2y cube, second term is y square, third term is minus 2y, and the fourth term is minus 1. Now we'll again split the second term according to the first term and the third term according to the fourth term. Let's do this. First of all, write the first term as it is. Here the coefficient of the first term is 2. We can write the second term like 2y square, the same coefficient. We have to keep the coefficient of the second term as the same one according to the first one. So we can write y square like 2y square minus y square. Right. Now we'll write the last term minus 1 we need. We'll put here minus y and again minus y. So if we add minus y, we get minus 2y. Right. So now we have 6 terms. We'll join two terms. See here, the first two term here we have what is common, 2 is common, and also y square common. We are left with y plus 1. Now from the third and fourth term, minus sign is common, y is common. We'll put y plus 1 inside here, and here what is common, only minus sign and with 1 coefficient. So here y plus 1 again. Now from these three terms, what is common? Yes, we have a factor common, that is y plus 1. In the bracket we are having 2y square minus y minus 1. Now we can split this quadratic polynomial further again with the splitting method. See, we need 2y square product and the addition would be minus y. So we can write minus 2y plus y minus 1, right? Now we again split. See, we can join the first two terms here. What is common? 2y is common. Here y minus 1 and plus only, and we are having nothing common, so we'll keep this third and fourth term in the bracket. Now from these two terms, what is common? Yes, y minus 1. And in the bracket what we are left with? 2y plus 1. So here we can see the polynomial is a product of, the form of product of three factors. Actually it's a cubic polynomial, so we'll have the answer in the form of product of three factors. That's all from my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel so that you get notified whenever I put my next video. Thank you for now.